BMW's 2025 lineup for the S1000R and M1000R Roadster models features a range of notable updates, particularly for the more affordable S1000R. This model now boasts 168 brake horsepower, an increase from last year's 162 brake horsepower, thanks to refinements to the 999cc inline-4 engine, including adjustments to the intake port geometry and fuel mapping. While torque remains steady at 84 pound-feet, a shorter second gear and altered final drive ratio are designed to enhance performance at legal speeds. New for the S1000R are both drag torque control and engine brake control systems, which are now standard. The torque control system prevents rear-wheel slip from abrupt throttle closure or downshifting by electronically adjusting the throttle valves within milliseconds of detecting traction loss, aided by an anti-hopping clutch that relieves pressure on the clutch plates. The engine brake control features 4 customizable settings, allowing riders to fine-tune the system according to their preferences in the Pro mode. Both the S1000R and M1000R models also benefit from the new short-stroke throttle grip, which reduces the angle from closed to fully open from 72 degrees to just 58 degrees. Additional upgrades include new dual LED headlights inspired by the RR models, a streamlined number plate holder, an under-seat USB-C charging port, and a standard emergency call system. While the M1000R largely retains its 2024 specifications without changes to power or chassis, it now includes the enhanced traction control system from the sportier RR, boosting its track performance. Carbon fiber winglets from the RR are available as an accessory option. Pricing for the M1000R is set at £19,990, while the S1000R will retail at £13,760. Both models are expected to hit dealerships in January. Additionally, the fully equipped S1000R Sport, featuring BMW's dynamic package, keyless ride, cruise control, heated grips, and tire pressure control, will be available for £15,765.